In this tutorial, we are going to perform a basic arithmetic and calculations like addition, subtraction, and division and multiplication. The following data shows that the data will be worked with the results that should be what we expect. Here I am taking arithmetic addition, subtraction, and division in a four cells. And I'm taking here the first numbers and second numbers and a first number as a. So suppose if you want to enter something data 25 and second number is 38. If I want to get answer for this cell, for this formula, just I will start with the equal to. All functions will be start with the equal symbol. So just type equal symbol, then you have to type the cell address. So just click onto the particular cell. So after that you put a plus symbol and again you have to enter the second number. So this is the formula for the Excel sheet. This F30 F8 is representation for this cell, E is representation for this cell. So when I am taking enter, so I will get a results. I will get results. For a subtraction, if I am taking 4 5 6 7 4 5 and with subtraction with 3 4 5 6 7, same as like addition, just start with the equal symbol. So type the E9 cell address, F9, then enter. So you will get the answer for a subtraction. For division of the numbers, I will start with 4 5 6 4 5 6 and I am taking second number as, so you have to type the second number here 2 3 4 5. So just I will start with the equal formula. So this number E10 address represents this number and divided. So I will get the answer. For a multiplication, just I start with the number 3 4 with multiplication with 5 6. So this cell address is 34 11 and multiplication symbol and F11. So when you enter this, you will get an answer. So if I change anything happen in these answers, it automatically changes the answer also. If I am taking a number 45, so it is automatically displays the 70. So this is the most useful for function in Excel sheet.